Today we're doing up another easy chicken recipe. One pan, under 30 minutes, simple and delicious, and less than $3 a serving. What more can you ask for? So let me show you how to make up this wonderful Spanish chicken skillet. So first off, a tablespoon or two of oil into a preheated pan, and this is over medium-high heat. Add in about a pound or so of boneless, skinless chicken breasts that I've cubed up. Got to love your chicken. And of course, we'll season this up with some salt. My all-time favorite, some ground black pepper. Add about a teaspoon of this in. About another teaspoon of thyme. I really like thyme. About the same amount of onion powder. You can use fresh onions too if you like. A couple of teaspoons of paprika. I always use the smoked, but you know, if you don't have it, you can just use the normal. Gives it the nice smoky red effect. I just love that. And totally optional, about a quarter teaspoon of hot pepper flakes, just to give it that heat. I've been using this in just about any recipe lately. And we're just going to fry this up until the chicken's browned up and it's completely covered with that seasoning, and the seasoning activates. I just love the color happening here, and this smells so good. And you know, as I always say in recipes, add the seasoning of your choice. Mine is just only a suggestion, but I just like this. After our chicken is browned up, I'm going to add in 3 cloves of finely chopped garlic. And we'll just stir and saute this for about a minute until that wonderful smell of garlic fills the air. And there's nothing nicer than the smell of garlic sautéing. It just fills the whole house. Oh, I love it. Enough with the radio. I'm going to work on this smell-o-vision for sure, guys. And if it gets a little dry, don't be afraid to add in a little bit more oil. Never hurt anything. Next in we go with a 1.5 cups of crushed tomatoes. You can add a little more depending on how saucy you want it, but I find this is about perfect. And about 1/2 cup of frozen peas. Use fresh peas if you want. Frozen are just so convenient. Give this a stir until everything is nicely combined. Oh my goodness, look at the color in this. Now I'm just going to lower the heat to medium and let this simmer just for a few minutes. Oh. Wow. After simmering for about 5 minutes, it looks incredible. I mean, actually I'm excited. This looks so good. And we're into 20 minutes here. Now we'll just kill the heat and we are ready to serve this up. Fit for a king, my friends. Are you ready, Your Majesty? So we'll just go ahead and plate this up. Look at that steam roll off of there. And it's about -20 out today, so I'm loving the steam, I'll tell you. And you know what, guys? I am thinking here, this would be perfect with rice, noodles. Even one of my favorite is mashed. Oh, that sauce over the top, just be gorgeous. So let's grab up some fresh parsley here. Certainly not from the garden, but it's going to work. Okay, let's grab up a piece. Oh, that chicken is so tender. Make sure I get lots of sauce. Just look at this, guys. I'm going to get more sauce. As Kramer on Seinfeld would say, hoochie mama. This is so good. The acidity of the sauce, the chicken is so tender. That seasoning, oh, I just love it. Great, like I said, over mashed potatoes, rice, whatever you have on hand. Oh my goodness, this is good. 15 or 20 minutes at the most, 25 maybe. Like I said, $3 a serving. You just can't beat it. Gotta make this. As always, for this recipe and many more great recipes, head on over to cookandshare.com. Don't forget about Cook and Share Radio. It's on the site too. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and do so. And if you like what you saw, hammer that like button. Thanks for watching, guys. And as always, stay safe and see you next time.